Before this video starts, I want to give a shout out to SPI Styles for sending the pack through, man. The pack just touched down. I know we got some goodies in here, you feel what I'm saying? It's some real live goodies in this bag, and I don't think I'm ready for it. Let's get to the video.
I threw her out back in the air, mama clear. I put 8 racks up and guess up in my earrings. I'm dripping Velo, that's what I'm wearing. Say cost a kilo, ain't ordinary.
Baby wanna be Gucci though. Baby wanna be Gucci.
Alright, so I'm gonna just get straight into it. I don't got time to be doing all the boop. Let me stop. We don't need a knife. We don't need a knife. Cause Elite Waivers open the pack the Elite way, you feel what I'm saying? Ooh, you dig. It's something in this bag I was not expecting to be in this bag. First. Second, I knew that they had this product and they just dropped it for real. But it's like, I did not expect it to be in this bag. You feel what I'm saying? Something in the wave community that waivers don't talk about using, but you know that they use it because it all goes hand in hand in a way. A lot of older waivers are going to use this product, but waivers may or may not want to use it. You feel what I'm saying? Let me just get into it. You feel what I'm saying? We got the 6th blade. You feel me? Feel me? 5 refills, 1 handle. Feel me? Open black. I just said black. That's his back. 6 blades, open back, easy rinse, SPI Styles. You feel me? Certification. Certified. This is SPI Styles, where you feel me, your mama want to go to church, you get her a chicken platter and then she order from the delivery table. You dig? We got another 6 blade, so you know we could be doing a possible giveaway, you feel me, for the 500 subscribers. By the way, thank everybody for 500 subscribers on YouTube. I appreciate y'all for that. You know, 6 blade, let me know if I want this in the giveaway. Comments down below right now. Next in the wonderful mystery pack of the SPI Styles, where you can get a chicken platter that come with extra grease only if you ask for. We got the SPI Styles. That's what I was waiting for. No, I love my washing styles. I have the hydration shampoo and the hydration conditioner. We're gonna get into the ingredients first. It's not a review. I'm just letting y'all know it's a all natural hydration shampoo and hydration conditioner. All right, so God damn, these are a lot of ingredients. I don't know if I'm reading. As y'all know, in order to make soap, you have to use a lot of different chemicals, and it's a lot of science mixing elements together so that, you know, harmful and harmful make non-harmful. So basically, I'm gonna just point out the things inside the shampoo and the conditioner that is going to help your waves as a waiver. Of course, we got the water, the aqua. Got no sulfates. Glycerin, we got that. We got apple, lemon, laparoot. We got that protein, hydrolyzed wheat protein though. Can you even spell wheat protein? Because I can't. Now the conditioner also has no sulfates. You got glycerin extract, sugar cane extract, green tea extract, cactus flower extract, mallow flower extract, hibiscus, rosa sinensis flower, root extract, let me see, lemon peel extract, lemon fruit extract, hydrolyzed wheat. I mean, it's just like, do you really want to know every ingredient that's in here? Because if I show y'all, y'all not even gonna read this when you buy it. You feel what I'm saying? Don't forget, use code KISO at checkout. You feel me? Get y'all a nice little discount. I'm trying to help y'all pockets at the end of the day. Let's take her out of there. Ooh, she feel nice. I never knew that I would get some type of, I don't know what that's called, excitement I got an extra drop of serotonin in my brain when I seen this razor. Y'all see that? Oh my God, it has a spring system. Ask you something, sir, watching this video. Let me ask you something. You see this razor, you're interested in it, right? You see it, it's nice, chrome, shiny, it got some weight to it and all that. You're like, why do I want to buy this razor? What is the point of buying this razor? Because it's everything that you want and that your mama love. If you buy this razor, your mama gonna give you a kiss. She gonna hug you, she gonna love you. All because you use SPI Styles razor. So why wouldn't you buy SPI Styles razor? Spring system. As a man, this gonna last you a little minute. For the price, plus you get a discount. You're watching this and you need a razor right now because I know you didn't shave. And I know your face is looking horrible. Go in the description, click the link. I'm not telling you to buy it, but I'm recommending you to buy it because you probably should, because you feel me, you might want to get those pubes off your face because they don't look good. You know your girlfriend don't love you no more. I don't know why you're doing that. I'm done. And as you can tell in the title, I said wave check. So for the past week, I've been using only my moisturizers, the moisturizers that I've been making. I don't even know if I said this on YouTube yet, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been making moisturizers, okay? So this is a high porosity moisturizer that I made, you feel what I'm saying? It's nice and thick, making mama love you, you feel what I'm saying? Then we got the nice little, the low porosity with the cinnamon to make your hair grow so that your girlfriend actually give you a kiss again. You feel what I'm saying? So it's nice, soft, creamy, the whip texture and all that. You get what I'm saying? Something real light. You know what I'm saying? Then we got the thick boy. You know what I'm saying? It's nice and thick. It also got cinnamon in it to make your hair grow. You feel what I'm saying? So your brother don't smack you no more. Not use any butters. I used a little bit of high porosity, a little bit of low porosity, and I sewed it in with the thick one because they got more black castor oil. I mean, but look, just hear me out. Just hear me out. Just hear me out. All right. Damn, my forehead. Just hear me out. All right. Look, I'm gonna do that one more time. All right. I'm gonna put the rag back on. I'm gonna do that one more time. I want y'all to look at the shine. Look, I have a forehead, yo. I have a forehead. See my finger now? I have a forehead. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Cause I be saying in them comments, y'all be calling my forehead big as. Look, you see that? Grab my mirror this time now, so I can look at it with y'all. And they gonna think I got a kid in my ear. If you like this video, make sure you drop the thumbs up down below. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check the description because I put all the equipment that I use in all my videos in the description. Don't forget to check the description for the link for the SPI Styles razor because y'all, I be playing a lot, but I'm actually serious. This is actually a good razor. Like, I have never seen a razor with this on it that hasn't cost over $50. I'm making a video on this. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be right there. I think it's gonna be right there. It's gonna be right here. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so y'all can see the video of the washing style on my IGTV with the shampoo and the conditioner. So you feel me? It was your boy Kiso, big A's. You feel what I'm saying? Shout out the affiliates. You dig? I mean, out this joint.
Oh yeah. We just upped the score today, yeah, we just dropped 2 more today. We do this shit like it's ordinary, I swear I can't wait till some more get buried. Hold up, what's that? BD, rush that. I was trying to score, but that shit was a touchback. Spin a block, turn that nigga to a dustbag. Oh yeah, that glizzy, but